we understand that there is inflation and other taxes that have to be collected in order to balance the economy, cash flow in our country. But as per the stats, if you look at, there is every year there's around, I keep telling about this repeatedly, that every year is around 20 to 25 lakh people, newborn babies annually uh, brought into this world, born. So other 50% of it are, I mean, other 10 lakh or 20 lakh of students are going abroad and they're coming back. 50% of them approximately lack of jobs or anything, settling here back, or so at around 30 lakhs. Now the resources, everybody is a taxpayer, and they're getting affordability because interest rates are being collected from them. And what is actually even going into their pockets? It's actually nothing. So income tax affordability is there because of loans and all, on behalf of the an assurance of collateral security or interest rates. When interest is not being paid, the resource is taken back and put into auction, or otherwise the interest rates are fined and collateral security is seized. So the property valuation again, valuation, and then auction is being given from the bank in a cheap manner. For example, 600 crores property is given to around 150 crores or 200 crores, depends on the bidding. So inflation is happening and population is increasing, and there's a certain amount of black money that is actually stuck somewhere in the banks or Swiss banks or anything. So money is sold from the people itself. Before 2000 notes were banned, and now digitalized currencies, now people have to be very transparent to the government, and they're not getting anything in their pockets because tax is their income tax. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 quarters are there. So more tax, more tax, more tax being collected, even from the street vendor also, whose income is more. And now that's why the cash, they're putting cash system, they want cash system for advantage. Now this much of tax is collected, if any, where this money is being diverted? As a taxpayer, the nation is not even responsible for telling where the money is actually going. Where the money is going, ठीक है, तुम इतना पैसे कलेक्ट कर रहे हो, मैं हम मानते हैं, पर आप ये पैसों को किस तरह से डाइवर्ट कर रहे हो? आप वो डाटा चार्ट, डाटा एनालिसिस करके आप हम लोगों को पाई चार्ट के हिसाब से बताना पड़ेगा ना. There is only this country that people don't question, and the question is not being validated by the government. And this is since the Congress government regime that this process is being suppressed and then it's coming on. Britishers के suppression हमारे दिमाग में भी ज़्यादा है. That is the reason. So why? I mean, people don't question. If they question, government doesn't give a damn about those questions. Every other nation, the taxpayers are being answered कि हम ये पैसे इसके लिए allocate करे हैं, इसके लिए ज़रूरी रखे हैं. So we are using this for defense or for medical or pharma or reimbursement of pension fees or whatever the shit, whatever you involve doing, whatever you giving loans के लिए अपने पैसों इसी लेके उनको दूसरों को, मिडिल क्लास वालों को लोन्स रोटेशन में डाल रहे हैं या क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ तो भी आप, you have to be transparent. Na? That thing is not being revealed. So in a lot of chaos, what confusion. So this is where there's no clue about. And other things are going for the vote bank distribution, for unwanted promises or free women, this schemes and all. They actually charging for distribution companies, taking a lot of tax. Everywhere is being collected. Okay, collecting or hora, are you doing this for the nation resources, to allocate resources for everybody? Okay, at least you should tell where the money is going. किसी के जेब में जा रहा है बोले तो वो जा रहा है, उसके लिए सेपरेट एलोकेशन रखा गया है डिफेंस के लिए और नेशनल इमरजेंसीज के लिए. लेकिन फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं ये डिफरेंस है कि इतने पैसे जब आप उनके पास है, वो अगर वो रिलीज़ करेंगे तो वो थोड़ा बहुत फाइनेंशियली भी बहुत लोग फ्री होंगे. दिस लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज विल बी सॉल्व्ड. But where is this? So as a taxpayer, at least we're not getting this kind of details being provided by the government. We cannot do anything unless everybody reacts. More population, more inflation, and more currency notes printing, and there are other companies portfolios investing in India. They're paying indirectly to the government, so inflation is somehow being balanced, but the rate of inflation is less actually. But inflation is there, वो कहीं ना कहीं अप एंड डाउन होते रहता है. एंड अदर थिंग इज स्टॉक मार्केट माफिया है. आई मीन इट्स अ स्कैम वेयर इट इज just playing with the numbers. We don't actually rely with the other things also, but some things we have to rely. But these people make up things, make up numbers. उस नंबर को देख के people will invest. It's a brand. ये भी एक स्कैम हो रहा है. People need to focus on these things where अगर ये समझ जाओगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि इकोनॉमी कैसे चल रहा है. So there's a lot more at stake. बस आपके लिए इतना ही. So as a taxpayers, we're not getting attention to know what actually the situation is. Yeah, I mean, when they're not giving answers for our questions, we don't know what is happening and what are we doing with the money.